Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you to my fashion lounge. So, you're probably wondering, this channel is all about luxury and high-end items. But I thought for the time being, particularly for the month of the ending of March to April, I'm going to add a few tips, um, lifestyle tips into my channel, only because we're in times when, let's be honest, luxury is not important at the moment. Your health and well-being is. So I'm going to do a top tip series. This is going to be the first of many. I am going to include a vlog that I made today. I'm going to upload that either tonight or tomorrow. I'm going to try and do these top tips either every day or every other day if possible. Um, uh, just things that can help you around the house because most of us are at home at the moment. So yeah, so if you haven't subscribed already and this is your first time watching my channel, as I said, my channel is about luxury, but as I said, luxury is not that important if you're not well. And sometimes we have to change things to suit the climate, and I just felt that there were things that I could do other than show you bags and what I've been buying, things that could help you around the house. So this is one of my many videos that are going to be top tips. So as you can see in the sink, I've got a bunch of apples, and I don't know about you, but I have severe allergies. So I have to take one of these every single day without fail. If not, I go into an itching fest. Sorry. I don't know what causes my allergies. I can't tell you, but it is food related. But yeah. So when I don't know whether you know, but with apples, to make them more delightful to the eye, some of them are coated with certain things to make them look really appetizing. So sometimes when you go to the market, they're really shiny and beautiful. Uh, yeah, they're not actually whatever they put on it is actually not good for you. And some of the way they grow these apples and fruit are with pesticides. So I've noticed that anytime I eat apples, I always get tingling on my mouth, which means that whatever they've used to wash it or whatever they've used pesticide, whatever basically causes me to come up in an itching fest. So I've devised a means of stopping that. So what you need to do, yes, you're going to find this really strange, but it is actually washing up liquid. So you don't have to put that much, just a little bit in it. Put some water. And you don't really have to let it soak, but basically use the washing up liquid to rinse off. Ooh, I've got a bad apple in there, look at that. I'm gonna probably eat that. Use that, and that was in the bag, by the way, because it was bought in the bag. Use that to rinse off all the outer part of the apples. Just gonna use my baking tray to put them in. Use it to rinse off all the outer skin of the apples. Sorry, I'm not talking to you. As you can see, I'm busy. So use it to rinse off all the outer part of the apples. Use your hands to clean off the skin. Just as you would washing any particular item, use that to wash off the outer part of the... Once you've done that, put some clean water, or you could just Basically, you do it in the sink, but and then just put the apples back into the bowl. And rinse off the soap. And there you go. And I found that absolutely works for me. I don't have any itching. I don't, my mouth doesn't tingle. And that's my top tip. If you have allergies, and even if you don't have allergies, I would recommend that you put a little bit of washing up liquid in a bowl. Clean the outer part of the skin of your fruit. It doesn't even have to be just apples. It could be any fruit. Rinse it off. Just a tiny bit of washing up liquid, and rinse it off afterwards, and then put them in your fridge. And that is my first top tip. If you like watching these videos, and if you want me to do other videos similar to this, which I am going to do anyway, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and tell me what you think. Anyway, my name is Mimi, and I'd like to thank you for watching my channel, and look out very soon, probably tomorrow, for my next top tip. Thank you so much for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel and pressing that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and goodbye.